यार रितेश भाई, ये बताओ, आई ऑलरेडी हैव अ कंपनी इंश्योरेंस. डू आई हैव टू बाय अ पर्सनल इंश्योरेंस?
कंपनी इंश्योरेंस का कवर है ना. पर्सनल इंश्योरेंस के लिए क्यों पैसा वेस्ट करना है.
Personal insurance? I have company insurance. Why do I need a personal insurance?
So why should I buy a personal health insurance if I'm already covered by my company's insurance? Isn't it a waste of money? I've been in the space for 20 years now, and this is the most common question I get wherever I go. So yes, company insurance of course is supremely convenient, it's easy to be enrolled, claims are smoother, and the best part is that it is free. But there are not one, not two, but 6 serious problems in your employer's health insurance that you must be aware of. Let's check each of them out one by one. Problem number 6. Employee health insurance is not permanent. Company insurance is like free Wi-Fi in an office or in a cafe. Once you leave, of course, the Wi-Fi stops. Similarly, when you leave your company, your health insurance also, of course, stops. And if you are on a break or you're starting on your own, then you may be without a cover during this time.
But what about portability?
Smart. Wait till I explain problem number 2.
And what if my new employer also provides health insurance?
Rukja bhai, wait till the end of the video. That takes me to problem number 5. The coverage provided by the employer is usually very low. Unlike personal insurance, employer policies are 1-year group policies. Employers look at insurance in the short term. They estimate coverage that is useful for the mass population in the company in that given year. That's exactly why the coverage with most companies is 3 to 5 lakhs. Now, if you really know a tad bit about hospital bills, you will know that 3 to 5 lakhs may be good for minor hospitalizations, but may not work for a major hospitalization, especially in a big hospital in a big city. For instance, a claim for a heart surgery can cost anything between 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs to even 15 lakhs, depending on complications, depending on city, depending on the hospital. Problem number 4. A company health insurance comes with many hidden terms and conditions. Every year, your HR sends you a deck that explains the insurance cover in simple language. The problem is that we don't go through it till we have a claim. Health insurance policies of even large e-commerce players I have seen, like Amazon India, large tech companies like Infosys and TCS have limits on room rent, have co-pay conditions where you need to pay a part of the claim from your own pocket. That reminds me, take this as homework, okay? Search for the health insurance deck sent by your HR in your email box during the weekend and let me know what I said was true or not. Search for terms like co-pay, limits, and you will know soon. That also reminds me to remind you to subscribe to Beshak right now. We are working very hard to ensure you get sharp insights and valuable tips to use insurance smartly. You won't regret it, that's a personal promise. That's what takes me to problem number 3. Problem number 3 is that coverage of company policies can get downgraded over the years. I say this from a lot of experience. Every year, your company's CFO sits with the insurance company and negotiates pricing for the upcoming year's health insurance. This pricing is calculated based on the previous year's claims. Now, if the insurer has seen a large number of claims, then either the CFO will have to agree to pay a larger premium than last year, or what happens in most cases, they will have to reduce the benefits by introducing limits. Now, I've seen the most fancy covers provided to employees in a new startup. Ye bhi de do, wo bhi de do, and as years go by, the covers keep degrading because of large claims. The classic example of this is parents insurance. Many of you may not know, but employers used to give free health insurance to parents in early 2000s. And now because of claims, employees have asked employees to bear the premium from their pocket. While your healthcare and your family's healthcare is yours, the health insurance provided by your company cannot be in your control. That takes me to problem number 2. You cannot depend on the portability promised by your company. Yes, you are promised portability, but unfortunately, the portability is not guaranteed. As per regulations, insurers have the right to evaluate your medical history during portability, just like when you buy a fresh policy, and then decide whether to give you coverage or not. And I've seen so many cases. If you have made a claim or have medical history, insurers have denied portability. You may then be at a disadvantaged position when exploring products. Someone without a cover but with medical history. This is particularly true for senior citizen covers and top-ups purchased by you through your employer. And now the most important issue, problem number 1. Health insurance is like a loan. You don't get health insurance when you need it. If you are thinking that you will get a health insurance when you retire or when you leave your company, remember, if you or any of your family members have chronic diseases or any multiple disease or disorders and you're looking for a health insurance, then you may not get the most comprehensive coverage that you're looking for. What's worse, you may actually have to pay a higher premium for the higher risk you carry. Ultimate hack is to pre-book health insurance when you're young and healthy. That's when you will get the best, most comprehensive policy with the best, most comprehensive coverage.